So we have here a beautiful VW Transporter. It's the T32 DSG gearbox, Highline 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine with just 10,000 miles on. It's a 2022 registration. The Highline specification from the factory gives you so much, but then this has had thousands and thousands spent on it to convert it into a 4-berth camper. It's awesome. The colour is called copper bronze, which is on its own a fantastic colour because it looks a little bit special, a little bit different to your standard silver, blacks and greys. You've got the full extended body kit, which instantly from the front end looks amazing. You can see the pop-up roof just there, which sleeps two, and there's two in the rock and roll bed as well. The DSG gearbox is the one to have, we all know that. The Highline specification gives you spec like the upgraded headlights with the LED daytime running lights, lots of black styling, front rear parking sensors and reversing camera system. But then you've got the bronze 20-inch Wolfrace wheels as well, and they look stunning, suits this colour and this car very, very well. Heavy-duty side steps to step onto to get into the back area, but then you've got the side awning there. Let me quickly show you in here, because this for me is beautiful. You've got this awesome saddle brown leather cross-stitched diamond seats, but if you look at the top, they're almost like Golf R seats, very sporty. Carbon fibre, flat bottom steering wheel, again another feature you would get in a Golf I would say. But then for me you've got things like I say, the gearbox, air conditioning, USB charging ports, lots of cubbyhole space with 10,000 miles on. It's in fantastic order, and I don't mean just the front, also in the back. Lots of wood flooring here, you've got lots of storage space, you've got the LED light strip there, low and high. This comes out to make it into a sort of a bench area for eating on. You've then got the twin burner here. You've got the electric modules. This car also has the diesel heating system as well, which is down there, which is perfect. So when you're sat stationary, you've got the sink area. You've then got the fridge area in here. It's just got everything, literally. And then like I said, there's cubby holes everywhere. There's more storage in there for your bottles of wine. And you can see if you're parked up like this, you've got lots of space to walk around. They zip open, what we call window access to let light in as well. But the finish on it is amazing. You've also got built-in blinds, 3 plug sockets just there, solar panels on the top. They've done a fantastic job. There's charging ports in the back, more built-in blinds there. 2 seat belts in here, so you've got 2 seat belts there, 2 seat belts there. It's a 4-seater in effect. VW, this is a rock and roll bed. It pulls out, dead easy, and then you can enjoy your night. It's also got a tow bar. It literally has everything, but it just looks great for me. With 10,000 miles on, you don't have to mess about. You can buy this and just start enjoying it literally straight away. Top spoiler, there's a tow bar just there. Reversing camera system that I've mentioned. This opens up just like that, and then you have all the cables. More storage behind there. You've got the shower, which is lovely for an external one. Again, this is all carpeted up already with lots of LED lights. Down below you can see the electrics for the tow bar, and then you've got the external electric socket just there. It's just amazing, it really is. I think in this colour with 10,000 miles on, you don't get much better. Like I say, it's a 4-berth camper. A lot of money's being spent on this. It's in a perfect condition, does come fully prepared. It's about to go live now. If you have been looking for one and you wanted one a little bit special, a little bit different, and you like that saddle brown interior with the copper bronze exterior, I just don't think it gets any better. My name is Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye-bye now.